In today's video, I will be guiding you step by step how to change your IPVanish password. So, changing your password can be really a good measure of securing your account. So, head over to this get started option. Actually, you can head over to my account section and then click on this forgot password. Then it is going to be asking you to put in your email address. Make sure to put in the email address that you used once you created your account using the registration option. And once you do, you need to head over to your email, personal or work email. Then in there it is going to be sending you code, and that could be used to reset your password. And that's literally it. That's how easy it is to change IPVanish password. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And yeah, so make sure to subscribe to our channel as well, since this process is pretty easy. If you need any other help, you can also ask us. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.